Cooking in 2026 isn't about spending more time in the kitchen. It's about letting smart technology do the work for you. Today's AI-powered cooking machines can prep, cook, and adjust recipes with precision, turning everyday meals into effortless experiences. If you're searching for the smartest kitchen tech that actually changes how you cook, you're in the right place. Stay with us, because these 5 AI cooking machines are shaping the future of home kitchens. Number 1. Introducing the Posha Smart Chef Fully Automated Cooking, an AI-powered kitchen machine designed to take the guesswork out of cooking in 2026. This smart device handles everything from ingredient timing to temperature control, turning complex recipes into simple, hands-free meals. Posha Smart Chef uses artificial intelligence to guide the entire cooking process, automatically adjusting heat and steps as the dish comes together. It works like a futuristic controller for your kitchen, managing multiple tasks at once so you don't have to stand over the stove or constantly check progress. Designed for busy lifestyles, it helps you cook consistent, high-quality meals with minimal effort. Whether you're preparing everyday dinners or trying new recipes, the system keeps results reliable and stress-free. As smart kitchens continue to evolve in 2026, Posha Smart Chef stands out by making fully automated cooking practical, efficient, and accessible for modern homes. Number 2. Meet the Thermomix TM7 All-in-One Cooking, a powerful AI-driven kitchen machine that brings professional-level cooking into modern homes in 2026. Designed to replace multiple appliances, this smart system blends precision, automation, and versatility into one compact unit. The Thermomix TM7 can chop, blend, cook, steam, knead, and sauté, all while using intelligent guidance to manage temperature and timing automatically. It works like a futuristic controller for your kitchen, guiding each step with accuracy so recipes turn out consistent without constant supervision. With built-in smart cooking programs and guided recipes, it helps both beginners and experienced cooks prepare meals with confidence. From quick weekday dinners to more complex dishes, everything feels streamlined and easy to follow. As smart kitchen technology continues to advance in 2026, the Thermomix TM7 stands out as a complete cooking solution that saves time, reduces effort, and delivers reliable results every day. Number 3. The Suvie 3.0 Plus Integrated AirFry, a smart cooking machine built for busy lifestyles in 2026. This AI-powered kitchen system is designed to handle multiple cooking tasks at once, helping you prepare complete meals with minimal effort. Suvie 3.0 Plus combines precision cooking with an integrated air fryer, allowing you to roast, air fry, and slow cook in one streamlined setup. It works like a futuristic controller for your kitchen, automatically managing timing and temperature, so every part of your meal finishes at the right moment. With app connectivity and intelligent scheduling, you can load ingredients, set your preferences, and let the system handle the rest. It's ideal for anyone who wants fresh, home-cooked meals without constant monitoring. Number 4. Introducing the Upliance 2.0 Smart Guided Cooking, an AI-powered kitchen machine designed to make everyday cooking simpler and more reliable in 2026. This smart appliance focuses on guided, step-by-step cooking that helps you prepare meals with confidence. Upliance 2.0 uses intelligent programs to control heat, timing, and cooking steps automatically, working like a futuristic controller that guides you through recipes without constant attention. It's ideal for beginners and busy home cooks who want consistent results without stress. Number 5. Meet the Mycook Touch Wi-Fi Smart Cooking, a connected kitchen machine designed for smart, precise cooking in 2026. With built-in Wi-Fi and guided recipes, it lets you control temperature, timing, and steps with confidence. It works like a next-gen controller for your kitchen, keeping everything synced and easy to manage through smart guidance. If you want modern cooking with connected convenience, Mycook Touch brings intelligent control right to your countertop. Thanks for watching. Which one would you choose? Like, subscribe, and comment for more smart tech and future gadgets.